Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a day vlog. It's Sunday during this day and it's actually my friend Ajaz's birthday. So we decided to go for some drinks and some appies. But before I do that, I do want to hit the gym. I want to get a workout in, do my skin prep. I do want to do a face mask and take a shower and do my hair and makeup. Alright you guys, so I just got home from the gym. I'm gonna make myself some breakfast and then I do want to take a shower because I feel gross. And then I'm gonna do like a little facial. I'll show you guys everything afterwards, but right now I'm gonna make some breakfast. Okay, so I just got back to my room. I'm gonna hop in the shower because I need it and I'm gonna go out later, so I wanna wash my hair and everything and then give myself some time to do my makeup and hair and all that stuff, so. I actually haven't worn makeup, I want to say, in like 2 weeks. I definitely want my skin to be like on point today with my makeup and everything. Hopefully I can get a couple pictures today. So I want to do a face mask. So I'm going to be using the FOREO UFO 2. I don't know if some of you guys have heard about this. Let me just pin back my bangs and everything and then I'll get started. So FOREO actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try the UFO 2 product. So this is best known for giving you a facial treatment face mask in literally less than 2 minutes. So I got the mint color. So when I heard about this product and how quick it was, it kind of intrigued me because I do a face mask in the morning and a face mask at night for like my full day pamper routine. It can be really time consuming. So I do love the fact that you can get your 2 face masks in with less than 5 minutes. So the FOREO product came with a mask included and it was the Make My Day face mask. And then it also comes with a charger to plug in to a little outlet here. And then it also came with a stand. I'm gonna probably make room for it in my bathroom here. Let me just quickly show you all the masks that I have. Coconut oil nourishing face mask. So I also have Call It a Night. Obviously you guys know I'm using the Glow Addict ones. And then the Make My Day hydrating face mask. So to get started with the UFO, you have to connect it with the app and then you will connect this through Bluetooth and then it basically picks up like the masking and all that stuff. You just put in all the info and you basically pick the mask that you want to use. So this is the mask that I'm going to be using. It's the Glow Addict Enhanced Brightening Pearl Infused. Basically all the things that you need to know are on the app. So I'm going to play it and then I'll show you guys what it's telling me to do.
The UFO activated mask to your device by clipping the attachment ring into place.
but it's also giving me kind of like a little video of, you know, how to do it. So there's different benefits. If you guys want to go on the website, I'm sure they have it all listed there for you guys if you guys want to check that out. This provides LED therapy, thermo and cryo functions. And then this also has T-sonic pulsations, which are going to help exfoliate the skin, get deep into the pores, take the mask out. So that is what it looks like. So I just locked it in with that little shield there. So you just want to do this in a circular motion. The green LED immediately begins to help to even your skin tone. I love how the app is telling me kind of what it's doing for me. So now it's using the pulsations to help combine more warmth to your skin to help give you a luminous complexion. This actually feels really nice and relaxing on the skin. So I have 31 seconds left. This really feels like a spa. So basically we're all done this face mask. I'm pretty sure it's ending, yeah, it's ending in about 13 seconds. I actually really enjoyed using that. You don't want to wipe all this stuff off. This is all the benefits that you want still into your skin. So just massaging it into your skin if it hasn't fully absorbed. But yeah, now my skin is all prepped for my makeup. I think I want to do my makeup afterwards because I do want to do my hair first and then I'll do my makeup once my hair is all done because I feel like it will take longer.
Okay, so I'm just gonna run through my fingers through it. I'm gonna quickly do my makeup. I don't know if I'm gonna set you guys up to watch me do my makeup because I'm running really late. Okay, you guys, so I'm just quickly doing my makeup now and I'm going to fast forward you guys because I have to rush and get ready. I literally have 12 minutes before I have to leave, so I'm gonna try to finesse my toes. I literally have all of my toes to do on this side. Okay, that's better. I totally forgot that I peeled off like some of my white polish. Like when it starts to chip, I just peel the whole thing off. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go anyways. I'm just waiting for this to dry and then just need to change. So I'm gonna talk to you guys when I'm in my car and I'm on my way. So this is my little fit that I'm wearing, but it's this cute little romper I got from Winners. And then, oh, I still have these in my hair because I'm gonna keep them in to flatten out my bangs a little bit. And then my hair is curled. And then I have these little sandals from Shein. And yeah, cute little look. I'm running late. So I'm on my way to Regine's. Let me just turn that off for a second. It is so hot out. Okay, whoa. We need to turn that one off. So sorry for the noise, but I'm gonna just drive and then I will check in with you guys once I'm with Regine. This is Regine. She's so thoughtful. She did a lot of my decorations for my birthday. If you guys watched my little birthday maintenance video, she's just really creative. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna.
This is why you're gonna vlog, Kisha? You can't even see anyone else.
So we're gonna be on our way to Global Restaurant. If you guys are in the Vancouver area, that's where we're gonna go. But we're gonna play some tunes probably. So I'll check in with you guys when
Why, you don't wanna hear me live? So just kiss me more.
It's hard finding parking around here.
But we're on our way. We're gonna eat some good food. We got our reservations for happy hour, so we're gonna have some happy hour drinks and see what kind of food they got. So I'm super excited. Are you excited, sir?
Of course.
Hey guys. So we just made it to, I'm getting like stage fright.
I get stage right here. Give me that. So we just made it to Global with Miss Kisha. As you know, this is her channel. And then this is a Jazz, the birthday boy.
We're still waiting for Shauna. She's gonna be here soon though. We ordered our sangrias. I got the red sangria. Regine got the white sangria, and Icha's got the red sangria as well. I'm gonna try it. Oh my god, yeah, mix it.
That's good?
No, mix it.
Oh.
You're gonna need to mix it, fam.
Damn, no, she good.
Good? I had to mix it right away. So Shauna just got here. Hey. Me and her have never tried an oyster, so I'm gonna try one. Can we slurp it?
You can swallow it. It's like cocktail shrimp.
It's not bad.
But it's not like, oh my gosh, I'm craving it so bad.
We're just walking down that walkway we were walking through before. I was telling them that we should take like a little group photo right here. It's kind of cute. Oh, it's still so pretty out.
Yeah,
Finally a nice day in Vancouver.
I know, it's really pretty actually.
Even though yesterday was a nice day.
Okay, we're going into Brecca.
Hamstrings are beautiful.
I got chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse. So I got a really delicious looking cheesecake. I also got this cookies and cream donut. Mmm, looks so good. What'd you get?
I got a passion fruit pistachio cake, an Earl Grey cream puff, hazelnut.
Oh, I was thinking about that. Hazelnut. I think
Hazelnut
it was hazelnut
filled.
custard or something.
Yeah, no, this
What's
is
it called?
custard. This hazelnut in there.
All right, you guys, so I'm heading home. Regine and Ijaz are going with Shauna because I'm going like a separate way. It's 8:30 right now, so I'm gonna head home. That's pretty much what I'm doing today. I'm so tired. Yeah, hopefully this isn't too boring for you guys or anything, but I'm gonna start driving now. And I wanna put on some music, so I'm gonna do that. I literally just realized I keep looking at the viewfinder and I'm so annoying. I've been meaning to look at the camera, but I keep looking at the viewfinder. So sorry, I'm just trying to get used to this camera. I just got home. It is, of course, 9:45. My alarm just went off. I'm gonna close out the vlog now. I'm really exhausted. So I booked the gym tomorrow for 8. It's 10 right now. I wanna go to bed early. Anyways, I'm gonna take off my makeup, do my skincare, and I'm gonna lay in my bed, watch some stuff on my laptop. That's usually what I do before I fall asleep. Yeah, I'm just gonna catch up on some shows. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys do enjoy these type of videos, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you do want to see any more videos from me, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos. I don't know if you guys do. If you guys want to keep seeing them, I can do more for you guys. But yeah, just let me know in the comments down below. Or if you have any suggestions on any videos you want to see from me, then do let me know. But that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.